Welcome back. Advocate Iris Rodriguez has accused Goa's Advocate General Subodh Kantak of professional misconduct. Iris has said that AG appeared for a private contractor in a matter before the High Court where State of Goa is also a party. Rodriguez has demanded action against the AG. Rodriguez has also threatened to complain to the Chief Justice of the High Court to ban Kantak from appearing for private parties. In a writ petition filed by Govind Nagvenkar and Amit Shukla in the High Court, State of Goa and the Corporation of City of Panji are parties. Advocate Subodh Kantak has appeared for one of the private respondents, Prime Slots Events Private Limited.
Subodh Kantak has appeared for a private respondent, Prime Slots Events Private Limited. This is totally not acceptable. An Advocate General cannot appear for a private respondent where the State of Goa is also a party. This is in clear conflict of interest, and such behavior on the part of the Advocate General is not acceptable.
Rodriguez has also complained to the Chief Secretary Sanjay Srivastava about the professional misconduct by Advocate General Kantak and has demanded action against him.
I have written an official complaint to the Chief Secretary, and I have demanded from the Chief Secretary that action be taken against Mr. Subodh Kantak. I am also bringing this to the information of the Honorable Chief Justice of the Bombay High Court, and I am going to request the Chief Justice that Subodh Kantak be restrained from appearing for private parties where the State of Goa is a party. So it is high time the Governor of Goa and the Chief Minister ponder over this issue and decide whether Subodh Kantak, after all these allegations, has any moral authority to continue as Goa's Advocate General.
Our principal correspondent Murari Shetty with video journalist Anil Sanadi for Prudent Media. The sand at Baga beach is gradually vanishing. Residents of Baga are anxious as continuous rainfall is eroding the beach. The houses around are on the verge of collapsing. However, WRD engineer has assured to take action within 15 to 20 days. This is the beautiful beach of Baga, but the sad thing is that the beach is eroding. Due to continuous rainfall, the erosion has increased. The residents around the seabelt are worried as the erosion can have adverse effect on the houses. There is a threat to the dwelling houses around the beach.
It's shocking to see because it was still there. There were shacks all along this belt, and the sea has come in so far. And if we don't stop this trend soon, it's going to be destroying more houses and more land.
Not only the residents, even the fishermen are distressed.
ही आमची दोडा आसा न्हू ती सगळी आमची लागीं पावत येयली ताका लागून आमी सगळे एकठांय जावन MLAक सांगलें आनी MLA येवन मागीर हांगासर सगळें हें करून आमी बांदता म्हणून सगळी बांदोबस्त घेतली ना तर ते आतां बांदिना जाल्यार आमचे सगळे व्हांवून वयतले आनी नुस्तेकार आमी खंय पावत तें आमकां खबर आसची ना आमकां दोडे म्हणजे लावंकूच दिना आतां खूब त्रास जाला आमकां बीच आख्खीच गेली सारकी लॉटॉन आतां फाटल्या दिसांनी सत्संग तरी वचोंक नासलें आमच्या फाटल्या दिसांनी आमी सगळे लॉटॉन हा वयर पावत आतां ते घराक तें कोण येयली वर्सां वॉटलार तें कोण विडोक तेगली सेंट्रल लेनीक तेगली आतां फुडें आमच्या घरांचेर येतलें दिसता म्हाका चड करून सरकारान म्हणटा कितें तरी उपाय घेवन आमकां मातशें हेल्प करचें.
Executive Engineer of WRD Pramod Badami has assured the residents to take appropriate steps at the earliest.
The survey details will be forwarded to Central Water Power Research Organization Pune. We will conduct a model studies on this because each erosion site is specific and a different solution is given to every particular site. So I'll get this forwarded to them, get it inspected, and then accordingly put up a solution. And then we'll take up our remedial measures after the approval of the government.
A reporter from Baga, Shamsundar Fatte. Ponda police have arrested 3 persons involved in Dena Bank theft at Ponda. All 3 persons are non-Goans. During the interrogation, the arrested boys confessed that they had attempted to break open the treasury of the bank.
3 non-Goans were arrested by Ponda police for allegedly trying to break open the treasury of Dena Bank in Ponda 8 months back. They were arrested at Ponda bus stand. The arrested persons are Vishwanath Rangle Bovi, aged 22 years, Maruti Nagaraj Gayakwad, aged 20 years, and Anand Pandya Bestar, aged 21 years, all natives of Karnataka. ASI Chandrakant Muraskar informed us more on the arrest.
आज तेमकां ते पेट्रोलिंग सकाळी होंडा सिटीन जबाबदार गेले तेन्ना होंडा सिटीन तेन्ना सस्पेक्टेड 3 मनीस तेमकां मेळ्ळे म्हणे म्हणटकच सस्पेक्ट डावट येयला ते बँकेकडेच फिरतले ते बँकेकडे फिरल्यानंतर ते मागीर तांकां एल आय बी स्टाफान सावळो नायक आनी तेचे साथीदार हेंच्यांनी येवन मागीर तांकां पोलीस स्टेशनाचेर हाडले आनी पोलीस स्टेशनाचेर हाडल्या नंतर तांकां PI कडेन प्रोड्यूस केले PI पाटीला कडेन प्रोड्यूस केल्या नंतर तांकां इंटरोगेट आमी सगळ्यांनी केले तेंच्यांनी मागीर आपण सांगलें जो देना बँकेचो तो अटेम्प्ट केल्लो तो आमी तो केला म्हणून तेंच्यांनी सांगलें आनी ते एग्री जाले.
A reporter in Ponda, Vivek Prabhu.
Sudeep Tamunkar feels that nationalization of 3 routes in the state will finish private bus owners. Sudeep said that Kadamba is waiting for its pending funds and will bounce back in full strength, capturing all the routes in Goa. Private bus owners held a meeting at Ponda on this issue and will meet again on next Saturday. Tamunkar will meet Chief Minister on Monday with his demands.
Private Bus Owners Association held a meeting at Ponda to continue their agitation against the proposed nationalization of 3 bus routes in the state.
आमच्यो ह्यो कदंबा टेक ओवर करपाक व्हडलो त्रास ना तुमी समजनाका आमी क्लॅश टायमिंगाक गाडयो चलयता कदंबा चलोवचे ना फाल्यां फोंडा तर आयज 60 बसी तुमच्यो चलता कदंबा 60 चलोवचे ना 10 मिनटांनी बसी सोडटले तांकां खूब पुरो आनीक जवळ जवळ तर एक 300 बसी तर ते हाडी आतां ऑलरेडी तांकां सेंट्रलाकसून 385 कोटी येयल्या 385 कोट्यांनी तेंच्यान त्यो माजडा बिजडा सगळ्यो बसी हाडलेल्यो आनी आतां जवळ जवळ 40 बसी पडलेल्यो ह्या हेटार ते पेमेंटाक लेट जाल्या म्हणून आनी आनीक तांकां परत पयशे येवपाचे आहा सेंट्रलाचे म्हणून ऑल ओव्हर गोवा ताब्यान घेवपाक टायम ना जवळ जवळ आमचे ते 1200-1300 बसी घेवपाक कांयच फरक पडचो ना तांकां.
Tamunkar will meet CM again with the issue.
म्हाजो असो प्रश्न सरकाराक आहा हेच्या आदी तुमी 122 बस मालकांच्या पोटार खोट मारली आनी आयज अंयशी गाडयो थंयसर कदंबा चलयता कदंबा पूर्णपणे त्या रुटाक सर्वीस लोकांक दिवपाक अपयशी ठरलेले आहा आनी सरकारान त्या टायमा वयल्या सरकारान 122 बस मालकांच्यो बसी घरा धाडून तेचो पळय जो तेंच्या पोटार पळय जी खोट मारल्या तेचो आमी निशेध करता आनी फुडें जे पळय कदंबाचो पळय जो प्रस्ताव आहा नॅशनलायजेशनाचो तो आमी अवश्य सगळे जाण एकवटान प्राणपणान तेचो विरोध करतले परत आमी सोमाराकूय मुख्यमंत्र्याक मेळटले आनी जो पळय कितें वाहतूक खात्यात भ्रश्टाचार चल्लो कदंबाची पळय जी कितें सतावणूक चल्लेली आहा हो आमी विशय आमचो जो मुख्यमंत्र्या कडेन सोमाराक मांडटले मेळोन आनी तेचेर कितें तरी तोडगो काडपाचो मुख्यमंत्र्या कडसून आमी आश्वासन घेतले.
A reporter from Ponda, Vivek Prabhu.
Let's take a short break. We'll be right back.